Dumela, welcome back to Setswana class. So, on our Setswana group, somebody posted this question. And it's one of those questions that you don't think of unless somebody asks, especially as a native speaker, because everything seems natural to you. But when somebody's learning your language, they see a lot of things that might confuse or might be interesting. So somebody asked, like, what does Tlhaga mean? And I'm assuming that they might have overheard somebody says that, or maybe somebody was saying that in a hurry and they didn't understand, like, yo, what does that mean? So today I have thought of so many things that the word Tlhaga can mean. This is Setswana from Botswana, so it might mean even more or less in South Africa or Namibia, depending on where you're learning Setswana from or in. So the word Tlhaga, at first, Tlhaga, it's used pretty much every day. For first we have Tlhaga, which means grass. I'm gonna go with that. Tlhaga, grass, and Tlhaga. I'm gonna try also and pay attention to my tone because, like I said, as a native speaker, it's the things that I don't think about. But there's a little bit of a tonal differences here and there. If you can pick it up, that will help you a lot. Tlhaga is like grass. Tlhaga is like come out or escape. Like for, let's say, a goat. It's like the goats are escaping from their crawl or their confinement. Tlhaga. Then we have Tlhaga. Swarang ka tlhaga, which is like English. Just like work hard but also smart, something like that. Maybe I'll leave a description down below to like further explain it so you can understand. We have Tlhaga, grass, and then we have Tlhaga, or Tlhaga, which is escape. Tlhaga, which is Tlhaga, which is like diligently. So, and then we have what? And then somebody will say, "Dirang ka matlhaga-tlhaga," which is like, do it quickly, diligently, if that makes sense. Like I said, it's really difficult for me to explain now as I think about it, but that's basically that. Let me see. Tlhaga. And then, is there an animal called Tlhaga again? I feel like then that'll be complicated. But that's what I can come up with. I do hope it's not making you even more confused. Let me go back again, and this is the last time. Tlhaga, that's for grass. Tlhaga, that is for escape. Tlhaga, which is diligent. Does that make sense? Yeah. Go fitlhela re kopana gape mo nakong e tlang. Go siame. Salang sentle. Until we meet again next time. Bye.